Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Gather ingredients first so the cook time flows without interruption. Use 28 Oz crushed tomatoes, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, and 1/2 cup red wine. Prepare 3 cloves garlic, 1 medium onion, and 1/2 cup grated carrot, and have 1 cup sliced mushrooms ready. Measure 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 teaspoon salt, plus 1/2 teaspoon black pepper and 1 bay leaf. Chop herbs like 2 tablespoons fresh basil and 1 tablespoon fresh oregano, and set a pot of salted water for the pasta. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a large pan over medium heat, swirl to coat the pan. Sauté onion, garlic, and carrot for 5 minutes until translucent, stirring to avoid browning. Add 1 cup sliced mushrooms and cook 3 minutes so they release liquid and concentrate flavor. Stir in the tomato paste and cook 1 minute, then pour in 28 Oz crushed tomatoes and 1/2 cup red wine. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon pepper, and 1 bay leaf before lowering to a simmer. Simmer the sauce gently for 30 minutes to meld flavors, stirring occasionally and breaking up any large tomato pieces. Remove the bay leaf, stir in 2 tablespoons fresh basil and 1 tablespoon fresh oregano, and taste. Adjust salt to taste, starting with 1 teaspoon and adding more as needed, and add a pinch of sugar only if the tomatoes taste too acidic. Serve over spaghetti for 4 people. Garnish with parsley or vegan parmesan, or cool and freeze leftover portions in 2-cup containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.